Hello everyone. I am Sabresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the cost accounting. Meaning of cost accounting is a type of accounting process that aims to capture a company cost of production by assessing the input cost of each step of production as well as fixed cost such as depreciation of capital equipment. In other words, it is a system of accounting which provides the information about the ascertainment and control of cost of products or services. It measures the operating efficiency of the enterprise and internal aspects of the organization. Cost accounting aimed to provide cost data, statement and reports for the purpose of managerial decision making. Next one is an scope of cost accounting. First one is an cost of bookkeeping. It involves the maintaining complete record of all cost incurred there in accordance to the to charge of different departments, products and services, such as recording is preferably done on the basis of a double entry system. Next one is a cost system and procedures are devised for a proper accounting or a cost ascertainment. Next one is a cost ascertainment cost of products, process, jobs, services, etc. is the important function of cost accounting. Cost accounting ascertainment becomes a basic of managerial decision making, such as pricing, planning and controlling. Next one is a cost analysis. It involves the process of finding out the casual factors of actual cost varying from the budget cost and fixation of responsibility of cost increases. Next one is a cost compa- next one is a cost control. Cost accounting is utilization of cost information for exercising the control of cost in cost accounting. It involves a detailed examination of each costing in the benefit derived from inaccuracy of the inaccuracy of cost. Next is cost report. Presentation of cost is the ultimate function of cost accounting. The report of primary uh, use by the management at a different level. Cost reports from the basis for the planning and control, the performance appraisal and managerial decision making. Next one is an objectives of cost accounting. First one is an ascertainment of cost. The primary objective of the cost accounting to ascertain the cost of each product, process, job, operation and services rendered in the production. Next one is an ascertainment of profitability. Cost accounting determines the profitability of each products, process, jobs, and operations and services rendered in the production. The statement of profit or loss and the balance sheet also submitted to the management periodically. A classification of cost. Cost accounting classifies into different elements such as material, labor, and expenses. The next one is an control of cost. Cost accounting aims to controlling cost by setting standards and compared with the actual and the deviation or variation between two identified and necessary steps taken to the control to them. Next one is an fixing or selling price. The cost accounting guides the management in regard to fixation of selling price of the products. It also helpful for preparing the tender and a quotation. Next one is an importance of a cost accounting. So costing helps in periods of trade depression and trade competitions. In periods of trade depressions, in the business cannot afford to have leakages which pass and leaked. The management should know the economics may be shout or waste eliminated and effectively increased. Next one aids in price fixation through economic law and supply and the demand and activity of the competitors to a target extent determine the price of article cost to the producer does not play an important part. Next one is an helps in estimate preparation. Adequate costing records provides a reliable basis upon which tenders and estimates may be prepared. The chance of losing a contract on account of overrated or losing in the execution of a contract due to underrating can be minimized for cost accounting estimation. Next one is an helps in channeling production on right lines. Cost makes it possible for the management to distinguish between the profitable and non-profitable activities. Product can be maximized by concentrating on profitable operations and eliminating non-profitable ones. Next one is an wastage or eliminated. It means that the invent. It means that all possible to know the cost of article at every stage. It is become and to choke avoid various forms of waste such as waste time expenses etc. It is useful to machine equipment in the next one is and provides data for periodical profit and loss account. Adequate costing Adequate costing record supplies to the management such as data may be necessary for preparation of profit and loss account and the balance sheet at such intervals may be desired by the management. Next one helps in inventory control. Costing furnishes control which management requires in respect of cost of materials, work in progress and finished goods. Next one is an helps in cost reduction. Cost can be reduced in the long run when alternatives are tried. This is particularly important in the present day. Under a global competition, cost accounting can be assumed a special significance beyond the cost control in way. Thanks for watching the video.